What's good, Auto Gang? You see, I'm kind of dirty, so you know I've been putting in work. So, you know I got the 87 Monte Carlo I've been saying I want to work on. So, I've been pushing it off, just pushing it off. Every time I get a chance to work on it, you know, I have to go do something else. So, anyway, last week I took the time out. I took the drive shaft out. I put new rear shocks and coil springs. Just a temporary setup. Some AC Delco shocks and coil springs I've been having, so might as well just throw that on there. What else? Because that's not gonna be, once I put rims and everything, that's not the suspension setup I'm gonna go with. But this is my Monte. Took the motor and the trans out. Drive shaft, right there, hood. I got new upper control arms. I gotta get lower control arms. I have the front coil springs and shocks. I just need to get the blazer, a Jimmy spindle, and that would be complete. Because right now I have no coil springs or shocks in it. That's why it's sitting on the ground like that. So good old 305. Took that bad boy out. It's a good old transmission. I got another one. That motor that was in my Pontiac Parisian. I'm gonna take that motor out and put it in my Monte Carlo. It's about the same mileage, but that one got a little thumper cam in it. Transmission good. Go to B&M shifter. And get this bad boy on the road, cause I ain't drive this thing about 2 years, so it's about time. It's about time to do some work. So and working on these cars, you get so dirty, it's ridiculous. Like every time I'm working on something in the back, just dust and rust. Working on these cars, it's like, yeah, bust it down, go to working on it, then next thing you know, the car's sitting on jack stands for 2 months. Next thing you know, you're back on it. So I just been trying to stay on it, you know what I'm saying? Because we get on these projects and we take on another project, and next thing you know, we got so many projects we can't finish all this shit. But my main thing, I want to get my Monte Carlo running, my Monte gang, so I can have my 06 Monte Carlo SS and my 87 Monte Carlo LS together rolling. So